Use the Alerts module to notify app users about current or imminent incidents, emergencies, and disasters. Administrators can create an alert for a defined duration and for a specific event and can update users as the situation changes. Creating a new alert is simple. Select Alerts from the menu on the left. Click the Create button in the top right corner to create a new alert. Add a title and description in the appropriate text boxes. Next, set a condition for each category based on severity, certainty, status, and urgency. Slide the Activate Affected Region button to the right to define an affected region and make it visible to app users. In the map that appears, set the area in which registered users will receive the push notification by choosing one of the icons on the left-hand side of the map. Please note, a history of the user's location is never saved or stored. Let's go over the options you have to define your alert location. This is the area that is affected by your alert. You can create a radius. Click on the pin icon and use your mouse to select the desired area on the map. You can also manually adjust the radius in the miles box. Click Save when done, and in the pop-up window, create a name for your notification and press Save. Or you can create a zone. Click on the zone icon and use your mouse to select the desired area on the map by clicking on specific points. Double-click on the last point to complete your zone selection. Click Save when done, and in the pop-up window, create a name for your zone and press Save. You can add a zip code. Select the zip code icon and enter the desired zip code in the box. You can add more than one zip code in this box. Press Save. And you can import files. Select the download icon to import your own GIS or KML files and press Continue. Select the appropriate files from your computer and press Import. Once your area has been set up, it will appear in red on your map. Slide the Enable Push Notification button to the right to notify users of this alert once it is published. Select Send to All or Zip Codes and Geolocation and provide the requested information to set your geo push notification area. If you select Send to All, it will send a notification to all devices registered to receive push notifications from this module. If you select Zip Codes and Geolocation, it will only send to users who are within a defined location. Setting up your geolocation is similar to the steps we just went through to set up your alert location, except this time you set the area in which registered users will receive the push notification. You can define a radius, zone, or zip code, or import a GIS or KML file so that users in the specified area will be notified. You can also expand your selected area by clicking on one or both available options to include users who have subscribed to adjacent zip code regions, and users who have opted out of location tracking and have not subscribed to any zip code regions. You can see the approximate number of devices that will receive your push notification at the right of each option and above the map. Slide the Set Alert Expiration button to On if you want to set a date and time for the alert to expire. Set the date and time in the appropriate boxes that appear. And click Publish in the pop-up window to confirm. And you're done. Your alert will appear on the app. Editing, deleting, and archiving an alert can all be done from the main Alerts menu. Simply select the alert you want to modify and click on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Edit, Delete, or Archive. Please note, archiving alerts will remove old or expired alerts from all users' devices and will save it in the Archives list in your portal. You can also end an alert by selecting End Alert from the drop-down menu and clicking End Alert in the pop-up window to confirm your selection. You can also end an alert from within the Alerts main page. Double-click it in the Alert menu, select the three dots in the right-hand corner of the new page, and choose End Alert in the drop-down list. Updating an alert allows you to keep citizens updated on an evolving situation. In the main Alerts menu, double-click on the alert you would like to update, and in the new window, click Post an Update on the bottom left. To view activity logs of live updates, select Activity at the bottom of the specific alert's main page. All activity related to the alert will be listed in order according to the most recent date and time.